everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, we're going to be pressure canning potatoes. So what you want to do is you want to get your potatoes, you want to cut them up. Bite size is good, okay? And then you want to have some hot water readily available. You want to have your salt. If you want to put spices in, go right ahead. Like, you know, if you wanted to do like onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, however you wanted to prepare them, go right ahead. There's no recipe, you know, set recipe. You flavor them however you want. So right now we're just going to get these babies going, okay? I'm using quart jars today. I prepared 6 quart jars today, but I'm not sure how many I'm actually going to be using. So, because I cut up about 3 pounds of potatoes so far, I still have about 2 pounds left. So if I have to cut up more, we'll cut up more. Run away. Ow, those are hot. And we are hot packing these today. Another runaway. You just don't want to get cooked today, do you? So what I did was when I prepared my pressure canner and I was getting the water ready, I put these in hotness upside down like that, and I let the hot water do its thing. So we're going to be able to cut up a few more potatoes because I want to fill that jar too. Where's my knife? Where's my knife? So these will go in the pressure canner for 40 minutes. At my altitude, 10 pounds. But check with your pressure canning books, your manuals, to see what pressure you're going to have to be at. And make sure you clean your potatoes. You know, run them under the water and make sure they're nice and clean, okay, before you jar them up. Get in there. You're getting cooked today, mister. Let's see. You can fit another half in there and then try to get more in the rest. Because I like to pack these as much as I can. You want to leave an inch head space. get our water going on here. I'm gonna need that. Let's get some salt. A few pinch, just a few pinches, not much. You know, no need to go cray-cray. You know, add in whatever seasoning you want to do. I like to do mine plain Jane because I never know what I'm going to be doing with them. You know what I mean? You never know what recipes I'm going to be using them for. You know. So I like to leave my stuff plain Jane. Alright. Let's get this water going. And then, of course, you know, you got to do the air bubbles. You got to do that. Okay, so 4 ladles of water for the quart. But once you do the air bubbles, you're probably going to have to add a sip or two. Boy, did I boil enough water? I hope so. Alright, now let's get the bubbles. Get your tool and try and get in there as much as you can. Now with potatoes it's a little hard, alright, but try. And they're going to try and come out and jump out and everything else and say, no, I don't want to be cooked today. Say, get back. And add a sip, because that's all it's going to need. Yeah, that's going to need a sip. Just a little bit, just a sip. Get it. Nope, we're good on that one. We don't need to add water to that one. So that's good. Oh, potatoes can be difficult. But I like to do potatoes. I like to do onions. You know, any produce really, because especially when we're buying in bulk. No, I don't need to do that one either. Like, you know, because, you know, when you're buying in bulk, you know you're not going to use up all this produce before it goes bad. So, I used to freeze everything. Cut everything up, get the Ziplocs out, right? And then I was introduced to canning, and I said, oh, game changer. So, here I am. Nope, no water needed in that one either. We did make enough water. Okay, now, vinegar and a napkin. Clean the rims, And this is also a way to ensure that there's no blemishes on your rings. There's no chips, there's no food particles, no nothing on the rings. All right. Now, lids. Oh, get it. Why you gotta be stuck together and be hot at the same time? All right. Now, let's head over to the stove. Yay! Okay. Set the timer. 40 minutes. Let's get these jars in there. Oh! Okay. Now, lid. Line the arrows up. Okay. Now, we gotta wait for the steam. The steam will start to come up. You gotta let that steam rise for 10 minutes straight. And then, the doohickey goes on. Plop. This nipple right here sticks straight up. And then, once my pressure gauge for my altitude goes up to 10 pounds, I will lower my stove temperature to low medium, and then I'll hit the timer for 40 minutes. And once we get to that, we will come back and I'll show you the process. Hang on a minute. Okay, this has been steaming for about 10 minutes now. Put that on. And then this, right here, this nipple right here is going to stand straight up. And then as soon as my pressure gauge gets to 10, I'm going to lower the temperature to low medium. And then start my timer for 40 minutes. And then once this is all done, I will remove the entire pressure canner off the heat and then let the pressure canner cool down. And then we'll be back to show you the finished product. Okay? Okay. Now that everything is down and out, and the pressure is done and all, let's lift this lid. And remember, lift it up and away from your face and your arms. Still steam is going to come out, okay? Just put that aside. Now we're going to go in. I'm going in. Okay. Potatoes. Now I've got what? 6 quarts here. I still got more to do, but I just wanted to show you, alright? Now I'm also going to be making some chicken noodle soup. Okay, that's going to be coming up. So, because I know Angry Prepper was asking me about that. So I'm going to be making some chicken noodle soup to show you how to do that too. Okay? I've been making homemade chicken noodle soup for years. So, alright. That's all for this video, guys. I love you. Never forget that. I love you. I'm cooking dinner. Tortellinis. Alright. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Okay? Stay safe. Keep prepping. Listen. I'm here for you. I know you guys are here for me, okay? Alright. Bye.